Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you this Elliott wave structure on the daily time frame chart. This was the impulsive wave 1. Then we have the correction wave 2 that was not retraced more than 100% of wave 1. Then we had the longest wave 3. Then we had the correction wave 4, wave 5. And I was telling you that now there can be two probabilities. One is that after this ABC correction, this larger trend will be continued to the downside, or if the price line, while the formation of this C wave, if the price line will break out this rising wedge pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart and this resistance of $60,000 that was previously breaking as a support of a big descending triangle. And this was the resistance that was previously breaking as support of the triangle, and now it was breaking as a resistance. And I was telling you that if the price line will break out these two resistance levels, then we may expect another massive move to the upside up to the resistance of this triangle once again. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. As you can see that we have broken out the wedge, and we have also broken out this resistance of $60,000 as well. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that is happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And now recently the price line is once again almost bounced from the support of this up channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for fetch.ai, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 8th of May 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. First of all, let me to show you this Elliott wave structure, and here you can see that after the formation of this 5-wave structure, the price line was forming the ABC correction wave. And I was telling you that now after the completion of the C wave, there can be two probabilities. One is that after the completion of the C wave, this larger trend to the downside can be continued, or if the price line breaks out two resistance levels. One was the resistance of this $60,000 that was previously breaking as support of this descending triangle. And the next one was the resistance of this smaller falling wedge pattern that was formed on a 4-hour time frame chart. And you can see that we have broken out these two resistance levels, and now we can expect that this move to the upside will be continued at least up to the resistance of the triangle. And this time the resistance of the triangle is approximately at $70,300. Now let me take you to the weekly time frame chart, and here we have already broken out this big falling wedge pattern. And by the way, I have been showing you this falling wedge pattern even before the breakout, when the movement was quite squeezed inside this wedge. And in those days, I have been telling you that once Bitcoin will be able to break out this long-term falling wedge pattern, then technical target for this breakout will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $70,000. And you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target. And now here we have found a quite long-term and strong resistance zone that starts from $69,000 and goes to $73,794. This $69,000 resistance is coming from the month of November 2021 when we got rejection here, and recently we found another resistance here at $73,794 in the month of March 2024, and this can be a complete resistance zone. You can see that the price then formed a double top here, dropped down at the support of the channel. Now it is bouncing very well from the support. And by the way, such situation we have seen here as well, when the price then formed this double top here in the month of July 2023. And after this double top, the price then dropped down at the support of the channel, and finally we broke out this resistance. That time we had this resistance of the double top approximately at $31,000. And here, by the way, we also had a very nice support approximately at $25,000 as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and support here, and again worked as a nice support. And finally the price line continued this rally to the upside, and after this rejection by the resistance of the channel, the price line was again dropped down at the support of the channel, And therefore now after this bounce, we will need to break out this resistance line in order to continue this rally to the upside. By the way, this time if the price line will be read the resistance of this up channel, then it can hit the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.